Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited today. First thing first, if it's your first time here, my name is Ariel. This is where we talk beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So if you have not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that button for me. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, forward, all of the above. So today, I got hold of a new palette, and this one is from Juvia's place, and I think that's one of their latest palettes. It's called Couture. Yes. So, I came across it by accident. So I'm like, oh, it look pretty. And y'all know anything that look pretty, I gotta go try it out. Yes, I have to. It's just an addiction. So the product that we're trying today is this Culture palette from Juvia's place. It costs $65. Um, and it come with so many pretty colors, like just amazing, colorfully colorful. So I'm like, as soon as I come across it, I'm like, oh, I can do so many things with this. Why not give it a try? So I finally put my hands on it, and this is the first look that came out of it. And before we get into it, let me tell you guys a little story. So when I pick up a palette, basically, I start looking at all the colors, the names, and I'm like, oh, they seem most like tribes name, basically, and I think most of them are Nigeria's tribe, if I'm not wrong, because I saw okay, here's a Yoruba color, basically. That's how I realized that, oh, this is our tribes. But at the same time, I'm not from Benin City, but I'm from Benin, which is next to Nigeria. So this color here is called Benin. So I'm like, oh, that will be the first color that I go for. And actually, that's what it look like. So since I'm from Benin, I have to try the Benin color, right? So there will be a whole lot more color to come, but at the same time, let's get started and let's create this beautiful look of mine. Like, I'm so excited. Like, I don't know. I just love it so much. Yep, let's get started. Okay, so let's get down to business here. Yes. All right. Here are the colors that we have in there. You see, so beautiful, so colorful. And I'm still dazzled about it. Like, ooh. Yeah. And it kind of took me a quite while for me to figure out exactly which color I want to go with and which color I want to combine, because I'm like, I can just take it all together. But I figured it out. And we're going to start with the color Azobi. Wazobi. There we go. It's like a maroon chocolate kind of ish. And I decided to apply this one at the base, like all over my eyelid, just to make it a little bit darker or a little bit brownish. Then from there I can figure out which other color I want to add to it. So here we go. We're just gonna tap 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 tap. I'm not gonna put too much of it. I'm just gonna kind of like blend it in. So I don't want too much of it. Like, I don't need it too dark, just slightly brown or chocolate, and that's what I need. And where I really want to keep the color is like in the inner corner. That's where I really want the color to stay. And whatever goes on the outer corner, let's for me to figure it out. I'm not sure yet, but I'm working on that. So for the moment, let's just tap 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 and add a little bit more to it so we can get the color that we want. Yes, and I think we're getting somewhere with this. The result is going to be beautiful for sure. Yes, so that's what we got. And let's move on to the second eyelid. Same thing, just tap 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 tap, no too much of a color just to get the density that we want, and I'm gonna focus more on the second eye off camera. So here we go, that's what we got so far, and here comes the concealer. I'm trying to draw, and since I have hooded eye, I'm gonna go above the hood. It's gonna be really ugly, so I'm just gonna go like draw a line right above my hood so we can see the exact color that I'm about to put, and it's not gonna get messy. It will look more prettier than just to be all over the place. So even when I close my eye, it's just gonna look the same. It's not gonna be shattering around like I really have hooded eye. So let's try to hide that. So I'm just gonna draw it as much as I want to, and we're gonna add more concealer to it as I'm doing right now. So just gonna add concealer. All of that concealer is gonna be covered by the layer of the next color that I'm gonna be using. Okay, so I got the crease the way I want, and my next color is gonna be Benin. Just like I said, we're gonna use Benin, and as you have seen the result already, so I'm just gonna use this light pink color just to tap in, and I'm gonna tap 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 till I get the color that I really wanted, and that's when we're gonna stop. I'm not sure what the outcome is gonna be, so I'm gonna continue this specific eye off camera. Then when I finish, come back with it. Okay, so let's continue our project on this side. So go back, get the concealer, cut the crease that you want and the way you want it to look. But if you have hooded eye, you have to go above the hood, so it look more prettier when you're taking picture or as you close your eyes. As you can see, I'm just getting my crease really defined the way I want it right here. And here comes our Benin color again. So we're just gonna go tap 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 till I reach the consistency of my right eye, and that's when I'm gonna stop so they don't go mismatch. Okay, that is done, and here comes my glitter eyeliner from NYS. This particular one is in color gold, so I'm only gonna start from the inner corner somewhere right there and go right above the crease that I cut. So there is a line there, so I'm just gonna go right into it and go a little bit higher, and that's it. Okay, next let's move on to the liner. This is my favorite black liner, is Maven from Fashion Nova. I said this before and I'm gonna say countless times. Most beautiful, handy, powerful liner ever. So I'm trying to draw my wing, draw the bottom line first and start the top one and join them back together. That's all I need. Okay, so my second lash is done. Let's move on to priming. Right here I'm using the Smashbox primer called Photo Finish. I love this product because it makes your pores so blurry that they're barely visible, and I have pores, so this work for me, has been working for me, and I'm sticking to that. Here comes my NARS foundation in color Macao. Yes, this foundation does wonders. So we're just gonna apply this all over the place. So I added the concealer off camera to save some time, and we're gonna move on to the setting powder. Just add it a little bit, and here comes the bronzer. Shaping that nose, I don't know why, I'm just so addicted to it, even though I don't need to, but well, I'm used to it. So let's cut down that nose a little bit, and here comes our highlight from Huda Beauty. You all know I love what I love, so I'm sticking to this one for now. I just love how shiny and bright it turns out. Yeah, and remember not to just put it too much. You just have to tap 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 and touch slightly, not too much of it, but you can still apply as much as you want depending on how bright you want it to be. So that is out. Then we're gonna move on to the nose one, which is right here, just right at the edge and on your nose bridge. Yes, just to make it shiny, and make sure, don't forget to have a gap in between the two.
make it look prettier. Yes, way prettier. I also love to put it right on top of my lip because like it come out a little bit shinier when you take a picture and it looks so different. Here comes my lip liner from MAC, and this particular one is chestnut. It's kind of like a dark brown. That's why I love it. And we're just gonna design the nose a little bit. Here comes the lipstick from Juvia's place. All the items that I used in this is gonna be in the description box. Don't forget to check them out. And some of them on sale and they're pretty affordable. So I'm gonna take the pencil again just to redraw my lip line and kind of make it blend it a little bit, like mix the color in there, and it look way prettier when you're taking a picture or a video. You all know I'm a picture addict, so it gotta turn out perfect. So there we go, just a little bit more. Yep, exactly. So now here comes a lip gloss, and this one also is from Juvia. I love the colors. I'm just gonna tap tap tap, not too much of it because I just want the glossy part of it to show up, and just a little bit more. Yes, final result, and I'm in love already. Like it looks so pretty. Yeah. Okay, now here we go. I'm gonna take that blue one, and that specific blue is going right under my eye. I love blue there. And here we go. That's what it look like. I'm in love. Yes, I did it again. What do you guys think? Isn't that so pretty? Like I fell in love with this look.
Okay, ladies, this is where we're gonna end it today. Thank you very much for stopping by. If you have not subscribed already, please go ahead and hit that button for me. That's how you're gonna help my channel grow. And don't forget to like, share, comment, forward it to your friends. Whatever you want to do with this video, please go ahead and do it. Anything that I do with it is gonna help promote my channel anyway. So you guys stay tuned, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.